Hello, future investors, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into how you can start your investment journey by opening a demat account and making your first stock investment. Don't worry if you're new to all this, I'm going to break it down step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start building your financial future. I'll walk you through everything, from choosing the right broker to placing your first trade, with clear examples along the way. Okay, so you're ready to invest in the stock market, but first, you need a demat account. Think of it like a digital locker for your stocks. See, back in the day, stock certificates were physical pieces of paper, and it was a whole hassle to manage them. But with a demat account, everything's electronic. It makes buying, selling, and tracking your investments super convenient. Plus, it's way more secure than holding physical certificates. Now let's move on to the next step, finding the right broker to open your demat account. Choosing the right broker is a big decision. You're essentially choosing a financial partner. There are a ton of brokers out there, but don't just go with the first one you find. Look for a broker with low fees, a user-friendly platform, and good customer support. Trust me, you don't want to be stuck with a broker that charges an arm and a leg for every trade or has a platform that's impossible to navigate. Do your research, read reviews, and compare fees before making your decision. A little effort here can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Once you've chosen your broker, it's time to open your demat account. Most brokers have made this process super easy. You can do it all online. You'll need to fill out an application form with your personal details, link your bank account, and choose the type of demat account you want. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. The broker's website will guide you through each step. Just make sure you have all the necessary documents handy. Alright, let's talk about the paperwork. You'll need some basic documents to open your demat account. This usually includes proof of identity, proof of address, and your PAN card. It's pretty standard stuff, really. Make sure to keep digital copies of these documents ready to upload during the application process. This will definitely speed things up. Once you've submitted everything, the broker will verify your information. After you've submitted your application and documents, the broker will verify everything. This usually takes a couple of days. Once your information is verified, your demat account will be activated, and you'll receive your account details. Now, you're officially ready to start investing, but hold on, before you jump in, let's talk about how to actually buy your first stock. Alright, it's time for the exciting part, buying your first stock. Log into your broker's platform, search for the company you want to invest in, and decide how many shares you want to buy. It's just like online shopping, but instead of buying clothes or gadgets, you're buying a piece of a company. Once you've placed your order, the broker will execute the trade, and the shares will be credited to your demat account. Congratulations, you're officially an investor. Now that you've made your first investment, it's important to keep an eye on your portfolio. The stock market goes up and down, and your investments will fluctuate in value. Don't panic if you see some red, that's normal. Investing is a long-term game. Regularly check your portfolio, track your gains and losses, and make adjustments as needed. And remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now that you know how to start, it's time to open your demat account and make your first investment. The world of investing awaits, and the sooner you start, the better. If you have any questions along the way, just drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more investing tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.